subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 Welcome to our Avengers TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Milford 0. I'm joined by Storms.
Stibo kunjani Buddha?
Sho baba wami.
Namhlanje Stibo nje into enzenayo namhlanje.
Yini so?
Isizini intsha.
Yeah.
Igame besiyidlala namhlanje intsha.
Yeah.
Siyaqala ukudlala igame yesizini entsha.
Yeah.
Singenaye upresident wama 2K.
Hey ndo.
Namhlanje.
Laba ka
Really.
Hey.
Kahle namhlanje nizophilisa inhliziyo zabantu ezibhlungu.
Hey.
Abantu bamasandawana abakhalela ama-award. Abantu babola mthuthu AIFC Kaizer Chiefs abakhalela ama-match fixing. Ingazi ukuthi awabo afikswa ngubani babethe abanye abantu. Kahle Stibo ngizothi kuwe namhlanje nje into encane nje ukuthi this season siyi-Orlando Pirates asifuni league, asifuni MTN, asifuni Carling, sifuna ikhefu thina ne-Nedbank Cup. Lezi ezinye zifunwa kuthi ngoba zikuthi. Uyabona sinkwa nisibambe kanjani? Zikuthi ezinye. So abayimbolo bekhuluma. Thina kule season soloko nje sithatha igame eyi-1 ngesikhathi. Igame eyi-1 ngesikhathi. Kahle Stibo seniqalile ukuthi countdown namhlanje. Kusela amagame ayi-29 sihleli phezulu. I-Chiefs ihleli ku-number 16. And siyayi-welcome kwi-top 8 kule season uba izoskoba nje kona izoqualify kule season kwi-top 8 iphindela back ku-number 11. Yona into eniyitshoyo ndithi i-Chiefs iphindela ku-number 11 kule season. Bayazi nabo.
That's why bangaphiki.
That is mababuye la mthuthu abasende ababuye la mthuthu ola mthuthu bafuna la
Abaskhala baphiki.
ngifuna nje baka thina kule season
time utlo uqamna
into enifuna nje ukuyitsho nje
I never link her top 8.
into iKaizer Chiefs la mthuthu FC
Well
kule
qualified.
season ayiqualify kwi-top 8
Never.
ibizosishonga ukuthi siqhuba kanjani kwi-top 8
Ngiyathola.
kahle abangaloko bezithembisa nganix kule season vele bonani bebedlala nama-Old Croc waseZimbabwe abomusona nabo-Khama Billiard
Sebakhathele.
so bese sibabuyisela nje bayi ngoba since MTN 8 babeyigcine kusaphila uRobert Mugabe noNelson Mandela sithi amake bazoyibuka nje ukuthi isadlaleka na then kule season siyabaxosha futhi bayahamba wonke ama-team makazi ukuthi thina seyi-Pirates kule season asifuni league, asifuni MTN 8, asifuni Carling, sifuna nje iCAF ne-Nedbank kuphela.
The rest is defend.
Isiyazi-defend zezethu zikuthi uyabona sinkwaye ndiba ndisibambe kanje uyabo sidlekile namhlanje ukuthi bezo-welcome ingane ezincane that's why sihleke kancane i-Milford abangani be-Kaizer Chiefs le Milford team eyaziyo la ku-PSL yazi i-Kaizer Chiefs eyayikhipha kwi-Nedbank
Usiya ukuphi?